Well, we got some more snow. Let's go camping. This ground is frozen solid. It's like 10 degrees out today. It's 60 the other day. Now it's down to 10. That ain't getting it. Well, I made it for an overnight. I'm so excited. However, I didn't expect to where I was going there was going to be this much snow. And trying to drive the stakes in the ground, it's almost impossible. I have a feeling that things are going to fly away tonight. The ground is frozen. And this actually started to freeze. It's only been sitting out here for 10 minutes. It's about 11 degrees. So, and I can't find my magnets to hold on the sides to fill that gap up on my Napier tent. So we got to bundle up. I did bring my heated jacket. I'll probably have to sleep in that. Also, I didn't bring any wood because I thought, oh, I'm going out to the forest. I could find some fallen wood. Well, look, it's all covered in snow. So we may not have a fire too. But anyhow, I'm out, and that's what's exciting. And I got a really nice meal to cook up. And I got these solar lights. And I'm going to see what they look like tonight. They're supposed to... They don't look very bright to me, but we'll see. Matter of fact, they're not even turning on. Well, there's another thing that's not going to work tonight. So, there is a trail that leads down to, I'm in a gorge, that leads down to a gorge. I don't know, it's very icy also. So, I'm going to try to trek through there and check it out. So, here's the tent, if you watch the video. The shelter, the Kelty shelter, it is up. It is not very secure on the ground here. Because like I said, the ground is frozen. So if you haven't seen the video on it, check it out. So it's actually much warmer in there than it is out here. So I'll see you guys if I can get on this trail. So the snow's a little deeper than I thought. guess I can't get lost. Just follow my snow tracks home. So what's for dinner? Tonight we are having some Angus beef strips that are already seasoned. I'm gonna make a kind of a burrito fajita mix. We got our rice cauliflower, some pico de gallo, some guacamole, Fiesta blend cheese, chopped up some lettuce, and some yellow bell peppers, some sour cream. We're gonna put it all on the Mission Carb Balance wrap. And I'm not gonna lie, it is cold down here. So I got a little fajita seasoning mix for the cauliflower because it has a tendency to be very bland. And we're gonna top it out with some Taco Bell mild sauce. This stuff is so good. Just with the short time out here, that butter is almost frozen solid. And it's gonna be a rough night. Eat inside my castle. I know this is going to be messy. I kind of ripped it a little bit coming over, but wow, that's good. Already cold though. So I'm gonna eat this fast and I get with you guys in a few. So it's like brutal cold out here. I wasn't totally prepared for this frigid of cold. Not having those magnets, I got a lot of air that's still coming in. I mean, it's not like blowing in, but I'm still getting the air in there. And I can't get any wood because I have to go through knee-high snow to try to dig some out. So fire is out of the question. I wish I knew that because I would have brought, I haven't even used my snowshoes all year this year. I would have brought my snowshoes. I also just have my hiking boots on. I don't have my snow boots on. I do have my snow pants on though. But what I'm going to do is get inside. I got another layer of clothes to put on. Get inside my sleeping bag. I bought my military one. And then I always have my down one in there, and I'll stick that inside. And I got some body warmers, some hand warmers, and toe warmers. So I'm going to be sticking warmers all over me. And it's supposed to drop like negative something tonight. I don't even know. And my phone keeps dying because this cold is just sucking the battery. I'm like having to charge it like every hour. So on that note, I'm going to get inside, get warm, and I'll see you guys in the morning. That's if I survive. I can do this. I'm woman outdoors. Good morning. Well, we gotta change of plans this morning. I gotta have to skip breakfast and coffee. Oh my gosh, was it cold last night? I mean, it was brutal cold, but I got through it with enough stuff on, barely. So I woke up late when I finally did get to sleep, and I got to get back in town and take my mom to physical therapy. So in the road, this is like solely solid ice out here. So I got about a 45-minute drive home. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on, and I'll see you in my next video.